of Darlin Designs, and we are here today with my little buddy bear. We've got a short unboxing to do for you. We've got a couple packages in the mail. One is from Grove Collaborative, and the other is from SoyL.
Let's open this one.
That would be from SoyL. What is SoyL? Do you remember?
No, I forgot. What?
SoyL is those wax melts.
Yeah. It's wax.
They also have candles and bath bombs. And everything is 100% biodegradable. All their waxes.
They even have some little oils.
Yes, we do have some essential oils. Looks like we got some packing peanuts.
They look like tiny M&Ms.
What we can do with these is we can string them for our Christmas tree. What do you think?
Yum, yum, yum. Yes.
Yeah, you want to string them for a Christmas tree?
Yep.
Alright, so we finally made it through the packing peanuts. Not yet. Alright, so we finally made it to through the packing peanuts and to the wax. Shall we see what they are?
Lemon pound cake.
What's it smell like?
It smells like lemon cake.
Smells like, oh yeah. Very nice. It does smell like lemon cake. Now we have our scents for the month of June. Lilacs and Lilies and Lilacs.
Let's see what it smells like. It smells so good to me.
It smells like lilacs.
I never smelled lilacs.
It smells like lilacs. Life's a beach.
Ooh.
No, it says beach. You know, like sand and water. Beach.
But let's see what it smells like. It smells like the ocean.
Yeah, it does. Watermelon mint.
Probably will smell like watermelon. Watermelon. Correct.
Reminds me of a watermelon mojito.
What's a watermelon mojito?
You'll learn when you're older. And last we have watermelon lemonade.
Smells like a watermelon mixed in with lemonade. But it's the same color as the other watermelon one.
Yes, it is. They are the same color, but very
scent.
different scents. This one has more of a fresh scent.
Like mint.
And this one has more of a lemony, a citrusy, because of the lemonade. Next up, we have
The Grove box.
Grove.
There.
My opener.
Ooh, wrapper.
And here we have some wool dryer balls.
some laundry
Detergent.
More of it.
Let's see what that smells like. We only need to open one. Perfect. This is the unscented one, the free and clear.
More.
When you got 3 kids, you go through a lot of laundry. Ooh, is this what I think it is? Calm down, calm down.
I don't know.
What do you think it is?
I just think it's a bunch of sticks.
Well, you're right on the fact that it sticks.
Straws?
Bamboo straws.
Bamboo! I wish we had a panda here.
This is not the kind of this is not made from the kind of bamboo that pandas eat.
Oh.
Ow.
Sorry.
So in here we got 6 straws and a cleaning brush for them. We got some essential oil.
With lemon.
It is lemon. Oh yeah, that smells like lemons.
I wish I had a lemon here.
And that is it. It was a small box this time. We had to go through and get some extra stuff. Thank you for joining us today for this unboxing of Grove Collaborative and SoyL Scents fragrances. We will leave links down below in the description box where you can get each one, as well as naming exactly which fragrances we got. Is there anything you want to say?
I don't know.
Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below, give us a like, and subscribe. Don't forget the little notification bell over here so that you get notified when we upload new videos. We're going to be trying to do them more often, at least once a week. Some try-its, and as well as the unboxings that we've started doing alongside of Sunshine Snacks. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.